Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guide. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a simple animation using Canva. Well, first off, we're going to need elements. So right now we're using the presentation of Canva. So let's use some elements right here. So let's go with some cartoon backgrounds right here. Let's go with this one. So this is a forest style background. So we'll zoom this out here by at least 20% right there. Then let's view it like this one. Perfect. Make sure that you can move it like that because we are going to be using the extra space for later. Let's maybe move it up a bit. There we go. Yep. And then we're gonna need a walking background. So Canva usually has these types of background right here. So let's say this man will be our main character, right? So he's gonna be walking until he reaches school. So let's do just that. So to do this, so we already have our main character right here. Let's call him Tech Help Guy. And then we already have our background right here as well. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click on animate, then create animation. So to do this, we're just going to drag the animation like so. Not too much though. So let's redo that all over again so you can see. Again, click on animate and then we will click on create an animation, then drag it like so. Then that's it. Let's stick with this one right here. Just a short animation because we'll be adding other animation styles. So this one, we'll copy it, duplicate. Oh, we're just gonna copy this slide right here. Duplicate page right there. Remove the background. We're gonna add a different background. Let's say reaches city. There we go. Let's say this is now going to be our background right here. Now, to do this, simply copy paste him like so. Remove this one right here. That way it's still the same size. We're still utilizing the same size, and as you can see right there, our character is moving. So from here, we'll animate it again, create an animation. We're just gonna drag it slow. Just like that. There's actually a way for us to have this like on a smoother basis. So for the animation right here, click on it, then just click on steady. So we have a steady animation here. We can do that as well here. We can click on steady right there to make it more steady. So this is gonna be what that animation looks like. And then for this animation, it's gonna look like this. And then now, let's say this one right here. We are going to add the school right here. So this is the school now. Let's click on this one right here. Then our main character, just copy paste it right there. Now we just click on animate again, create animation, similar to earlier until it reaches the guy. That's it. Now let's try to present it. I will have to download this first to see what it looks like. So just download all of the pages right there, high quality, download. It's downloading right now. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.